Okay, so here I am, I'm on my desktop, and here's Atom and Google Chrome, the things that we downloaded in the last video. So I have not Google Chrome, I have Atom open down here. So this is what it looks like when you first open it. Actually, it'll probably look a little bit different. There'll probably be like a welcome message. You could just close that. And if you just want to start, like open it fresh like this, you could just go here and click new window. And it's going to take a couple seconds to load it up again. Let me close this one. And okay, so actually this is what it would look like. So there's not even a folder here. I didn't realize that. But okay, in this video, I want to show you how to set up some of the settings. So yours is not going to look like this, I don't think. I think yours is going to be dark, like this. One dark and one light. Well, one dark and one dark. So this is what yours would look like. If you like it looking like this, then just keep it. It makes no difference, not really. But I've grown to like this light one. I like how this looks. Okay, so that's how you could change the theme, get it to look like mine, but you don't need to. So another thing you want to do is, okay, well first let's show how you can create a folder. Actually, let's go here. Let's go back to the desktop and let's go to create a folder. And let's just call it CSS, I guess. Let's just call it that. Then go here and go to open folder. And from here, just click CSS, select, and now it's open. Okay, so from here you can create a file. And I'm just going to call it index.html. That's a good name for it. Let's close this untitled one. And there you go. Then if you come back here and look, you'll see that that's inside your folder now. Okay, so now you'll notice this line right here. And this line is for if you're just putting, let me speed this up. So basically your text will not surpass this line right here. And that's pretty good. But for you, I think the line will be a lot closer to the beginning, which is maybe undesirable. So let's go to, I'll show you how you can fix that. So let's go to the editor. And where is it? So you want to change this preferred line length. I think it just said it's 80 by default. So I'll just do that, just so it looks exactly like yours. And here, the soft wrap, this is by default false. And this is also by default false. Okay, so it's actually not that bad. But okay. So you see it wasn't even wrapping there. And that's because these wraps weren't set. So you put the soft wrap and soft wrap at preferred line length, and then it will start wrapping. Like that. And then if you want to increase the line length, just go back here. And I think I had mine at 140, so I'll put it back. And then yeah, there you go. Okay, and there's one more thing I want to show you is the packages that you have. So there's two things here. There's packages and install. And they both kind of look a little bit similar. Like if you look here, then you look here, they both kind of have this little search bar at the top, and they both kind of look the same. The difference is here it shows you the packages that you already have. So I have the Atom wrapping tag, which I'm not going to be using during this course, I don't think. And remember folds, which is really useful. And I am going to be using this during this course. So I'll show you how you can install that. And to do that, you have to go to install and then just type it in and then just click the install. And then you can search for other things too. Like if you want, there's a whole bunch of different packages you can get. This, you just click install and then it'll install. Okay, so I think that's going to be it for this video. And in the next video, I'm going to show you a couple shortcuts that I'm going to be using during this course on Atom, keyboard shortcuts for deleting code, moving code, duplicating it, all stuff like that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.